Well, we can see him smiling right now. Ladies and gentlemen, the worthy recipient of the MMFF 50 Lifetime Achievement Award, ang ama ng MMFF, our former president, Mr. Joseph Erap Ejercito Estrada.
And to present his award to Mr. Erap Estrada, two pillars of MMFF, Vice Ganda and Ms. Vilma Santos, with MFF's Executive Committee, Ms. Boots Anson Roa Rodrigo and Attorney Romando Artes.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon, tradisyon na ang Parade of Stars ng Metro Manila Film Festival. Inaabangan ng lahat na pumarada ang kanilang mga iniidolong artista sakay ng mga naggagandahang floats.
Every year, MMFF floats are designed not only to wow the audience, but also to showcase a visual representation that captures each film's story.
And the winner for the Best Float Award is... It's a tie!
Uninvited!
And Topak!
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa MMFF. And of course, gusto ko lang po talagang batiin ang talagang napakasarap pong kasama sa journey na ito. Palapakan naman po natin si Tita Ibiang, Ms. Sylvia Sanchez, na mas lalong pinasaya yung journey ng buong Uninvited dahil kasama namin yung Topak. Ayan. Ano?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Metro Manila Film Fest, salamat dito. Pinangarap ko talaga to, honestly. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, kaya nandito yung director ko kasi siya yung gumawa ng float namin. Artist po siya, sabi ko sa kanya, isa lang talagang sinabi ko sa kanya, Direk, gawa tayo ng float at gusto kong manalo ng best float. Sabi nga ni Direk, ang simple lang ng gusto mo, yes, kasi may kwento lang ako konti. Noon, sumali ako sa Metro Manila Film Fest, sumakay ako, ang daming tao sa float. Sabi ko, isang araw, magpuproduce ako at gagawa ako ng sarili kong float na ako sasakay and pipilitin ko talaga, papangarapin ko na mananalo ako. At sa gabing to, natupad po.
Isisingil ko na lang po, maraming salamat kay Irene Diesta. At least 3 beses ka nang nanalo.
Kami po yung dalawang producers, magulo talaga pag palagi nagmi-meeting. And yun pa yun. So ngayong gabi, natupad yung pangarap ng isang batang artista no na best float lang ang gusto ko sumakay sa sarili kong float na ako mismong nagpagawa. And thank you, Direk Richard Somesa, napakatalino na ginawa mong float. And yun lang po. Maraming salamat po. Thank you po. Thank you.
Again, a big congratulations.
This award is given to films that raise awareness on gender equality concerns, gaya ng pag-unawa sa gender roles, stereotypes, biases, at pag-educate sa mga manonood tungkol sa iba pang gender-related issues sa lipunan.
The winner for the Gender Sensitivity Award is...
And the breadwinner is...
by ABS-CBN Film Productions and the Idea First Company. Congratulations!
Congrats!
To present the trophy is Mr. James Bartolome.
Ito rin po yung pangarap ko, gumawa ng pelikula at manalo ng Gender Sensitivity Award. Kaya maraming salamat po sa pagkilala sa pelikula namin.
Maraming salamat po sa Gender Sensitive Award na ito. At Masayang-masaya po ako at ang LGBTQIA+ community dahil nakapagpakita tayo ng isang mukha ng ating komunidad na makapagpapabukas lalo ng lalong pangunawa at pagmamahal sa lipunan. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations! Winner na winner.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the next generation of the Filipino filmmakers. The winner of the third best student short film goes to from the University of the Philippines, Mindanao, PNB 1250. The winner of the second best student short film is from the City of Malabon University, a delivery rider. Please come on stage. And the best student short film is from the University of Makati. Saan aabot ang 50 pesos mo? Special jury prize to another student short film from the Mindanao State University, General Santos City, Inang Wakwak.
At ang MMFF 50 Best Visual Effects winner ay Go co-producer
Riot Inc. The Kingdom.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat in behalf of Riot at saka in behalf of the Kingdom team. Maraming salamat for this award, for this recognition. Salamat.
At ang nag-uwi bilang MMF 50 Best Child Performer ay si
Shanna Stevens,
Green
Bolts!
ganyan talaga.
Mr. June Romana.
Wow! Yung puso ko naggaganito na eh. Pero masaya po yung puso ko. Una po, thank you kay Papa God. I love you. At thank you sa tiwala niyo sa akin. Sa award. Sa pag-coach, sa pag-arte. Wala pong iba kung di mama ko. Super thank you, Mommy, for guiding me. I love you. Sa daddy at kapatid ko, Sean, thank you for supporting and believing in me. At sa GMA, Sparkle, I love you. Sa manager ko, Tita Tracy, Attorney James, Tito Tabs. Mwah! Thank you, Miss Annette, Tita Nessa, Miss Ange, Tito JC, Direk Sig. Hindi ko po magagawa maayos ang role na ito kundi sa inyong lahat. at sa Green Bones family. Thank you.
Up next, isang espesyal na handog mula sa cast ng Isang Himala.
Let's give it up again for the cast of Isang Himala.
Crowd.
For Best Musical Score,
Vincent De Jesus, Isang Himala.
Merry Christmas. First MMFF ko po to kasi tagal ko na nasa MMFF. So I'd like to thank the jurors for this honor and to our producers, Creation, Unitel Straight Shooter, CMB and Capital Films, our creative team, our production team, our crew, lahat ng kasama namin for 16 days sa Straight Shoot, sa shooting gallery. Sa malamig na studio niya mukhang mainit. And to our surrogate parents, na mas bata sa akin, Madonna Tarayo and Pepe Joc, no? Also our director, thank you so much for believing in us. I'll keep this short. And to Sir Ricky, a mentor, a friend, a collaborator, thank you for being with this production since 2003 nung theater play pa siya, musical. Until now, Sir Ricky, we love you with all our... If I had two hearts, I will love you just the same. Maybe twice as much. And last and not but least, my Himaloves. The cast na mas clingy pa po sa glue. And I share this with you. And thank you, Merry Christmas, Mama. Yes, I love you. Thank you, everyone, and Merry Christmas.
The Best Sound Award goes to... Let's open the envelope.
Let's go. Ditoy Aguila, Strange Frequencies, Taiwan Killer Hospital.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Wow! Salamat sa MMFF Board, Committee at Jurors. Strange Frequencies yung cast. Cool din sila, masarap sila i-dub. So salamat din sa inyo. Ang team namin sa Mothership at Reality, maraming creative na tao ang bumuo sa pelikula na to. At syempre, salamat sa producer namin, si Don Monteverde, and Direct Eric Mati. So last din, 9 years ago, yun yung huling entry ko sa MMFF, ano? So mabuti na pagbalik ko, may added na trophy ulit. Salamat.
And the Best Original Theme Song Award. And the Best Original Theme Song Award goes to... Ang Himala ay Nasa Puso by Vincent De Jesus and Ricky Lee. Isang Himala.
To present the award is Ms. Doris Jimenez.
Thank you, Creation, and UNG, and Juan Carlos, of course, and his collaborators. Maraming salamat. Ang Himala ay nasa puso ng tao. Sir Ricky, para sa iyo to.